Pranam Guruji. Today, 22nd October 2015, we are in Kaushikan Guruji's Nadi Center in Ahmedabad. Now, we are requesting Guruji to talk about chapter number 7, how the composition is, with taking a sample case of Miss Mansi. Please go ahead.
வணக்கம். மங்கை உமை அங்கமதில் கொண்ட தேவன் மலரடிகள் தினந்தொழுது அகத்தியன் யான் நங்கை இவள் நற்பதியும் வாய்த்து என்பம் நனி புவியில் சிறந்திடவே சப்தம் உண்டு. மங்கை உமை, Agastya Maharishi prays to the feet of God Shiva, who is having Ardhanarishwarup, and then preaches your Sabdama Kant, that means 7th chapter predictions. The 7th chapter pertaining the family life, married life. The person who is married, that marriage life, the spouse and husband, both are living together or not, they are living with a happy life or not, they are having children or not, that kind of life will description is there. Otherwise, not married, that means bachelor's life. So in that indications are given from Agastya Rishi for the searching of good bar.
Okay.
That things, that reasons are given the particular person where he is living. That means which one direction he is living and what kind of quality he is having,
Right.
what circumstances, what are the status of the family, brothers are there, sisters are there, or parents are there or not. These kind of things will come inside. Some highlights are also there, some extracurricular activities that guy is having, that indication is also inside of that 7th chapter. Now I am continuing.
Go ahead.
Nangai ival narpadiyum vaaythi inbam. Who is getting this prediction? This individual. That means all Rishimunis are telling each and everybody is our children. Like this, you are also one of the daughter of Rishimuni Agastya. So he is telling like this, my child, that is this beloved girl, will get all success in the family life after her marriage and live with more happy together with her husband. Because of this reason I am giving this 7th chapter.
Okay.
உண்மை தனை விளம்ப முடி விடத்தை பற்றும். Before of these predictions, Agastya Maharishi gives some details, witnesses, whom you are, why I am saying this predictions like this. So you are Vrishik Lagna girl, Udumadima and Singarasi. Other planetary positions are in the previous chapter is described. Tanmai Udal Per Mansi Hemandattan. Tanmay means good character. You are having good qualities, good characters. Your good name is Mansi. Hemant, father name. Tanakannai Parulata Ariya Sakshi. Parulata is your mother name. These are all the witnesses. Sakshidara Manam Manambol Endral Kuda. These are all general things. Whatever your expectation, you will have success in that in future. That is okay. That is correct. Sanjalamam Dadai Migave Needam Karam. Even though you will get all success in your future, very near future. Presently you are not so happy. Why you are not happy? Your marriage is getting delayed. That delay is giving lot of mental worries and also sensual. That means confusion. That is why you are not in happy mood, happy life. Kachi alar neyam kula maravanjam. Sometimes it gives, this intention gives some unexpected affections with some other guys.
Yes.
It's also possible.
Yes.
Maravanjam, it creates lot of problem in the family.
Yes.
That doubting mind will create lot of misunderstanding in the family.
Yes.
Kadidagum muyarchiyala. Because of that bending, whatever your hard work, hard efforts for searching boy, it is also going to delay. Or some other time it is going to be failure also. Amaya Nallo. These circumstances, you will not get good and very honest person. Amayadu Varun Bidayum Vinayamandal. Varun Bidayum. If you will get some good boy, after marriage it will also give trouble to you. After that you will get divorce, you will go for second marriage also. That possibility is also in your Janma Kundali is giving. Allal, Wind, Pinakku, Edir, Virivum Binnu. Unnecessary disturbances will come. Unwanted discussion and bitter separation will take place. Tamai Guruttu Maharettin Sege Megalum. Court cases is also there. Tharaminnal Seyudiya. Sometimes, due to your misunderstandings and other difficulties, you will not get child also. These are all the evil effects in your life, in your destiny.
Right.
Why these problems are occur in your life? These are all committed by your previous birth sins. So these problems are also inside in your life. Todamiga Kalatiraton power சேர்க்கை. And another one thing, I give some other explanation also. Todamiga, your sins are there, your karmas are there. Kalatiraton power சேர்க்கை. Your Saddhamadhivadi, that means Kalastarikaraha. That Kalastarikaraha is together with Papi, that means evil planet. That evil planet will give more worries in the life. Because of that, you will not be very happy after your marriage. Vada manam, always worrying, disturbances, mental stress, everything will be there. Vada manam pokka murayaga manga. These are all the evil effects in your marriage life. But some pariharam is also required. If you should go through that, Valamuriga Nalambiragam Vinnin Kalam, if you should perform, all these evil effects will rectify, nullify, and you will get very fruitful result after that. Kalamadil Moolaya Muppandanni. Now, as the Rishi continuing the prediction. When you are getting this prediction, during your 30, you are getting this prediction.
30.
30, 30. Kanni even Manam Gana Muyarchi Mela. You are not yet married, but proposal is going on. You are searching a boy. Balahiyam Mood Vilakka Arulumasi. My grace is always with you, but you go through the parihar first. Padidilla Pinyoham. If you should go through that, your future will be very bright, very fruitful, result will be there. Pulanum Nallur, somebody will introduce your husband, future husband. Nalladaru Muppano, Reersul Tannul. After 31st will start, you will get good result in your marriage proposal. That means good boy will come. Nadattai Punam Lakshanattu Namayo. That boy will have very good characteristics. Good complexion, good character, behavior, everything. Sollatiram Kalvi Uyar Mutmandundum. He will be in technical side studies. He will be in service also. Sottiramun Yenimai Sol. He is not a very hard person. He is a very good guy, smart guy. Arivon Gandu. This introduction will give by somebody or very close by yourself. Kandidave Nayanam Sevi Varisaitanam. He will have very good teeth. That means regular teeth, not coming down inside like that. Regular teeth. Good looking face. Normal height and weight. That is very important. Not very height. Not very small. Like that. Normal. Karam Galam Semmai Udal Valakti Siram Andi Edur Purvam Pira Marivasam. The boy who is confirmed for your life partner, he will not live in the ancestral place. He is migrate from that place and living somewhere else right now.
Correct.
Annai Pida Dirkamur Thonaigal Sierra. Both of his parents are alive, but one is very healthy. The another one is
Less healthy.
Yeah, ill health or something like that. Thunaigal Sierra, very limited family. One or two siblings are there, not much. Sirmeva Anarivai Thunaigal Kalki, one brother and one sister. Not much, not more. All are well educated. So well educated family. Serakka Yedai, the guy is in the middle order of his birth. Serakka Yedai Saya Livan Subangal Munni, before of your marriage. Your marriage will take place. Before of that, some marriage. That means his brother or sister, he is married. Nerma Yurun Tondu Suyam, in his family, they are working. That means siblings are working. Parents are getting income through some other sources. That means business. Neriyadaga Illati Samathin Bakkam. They have own house, properties, everything. Samathin Bakkam, Bakkam Avar Tamuraya Nagarin Kane. Samathin Bakkam, not very far away. He is very near to you. Nagarin Kane, he is not in the village side. He is in the town area. Pagar Seve Kottam Buddha Akkamsale. On the way to his house, where you are residing, from here to his house. On the way to his house, some auspicious places, that means community hall, or seva oriented place, or manufacturing place, that means industries, or very good temple is also there. Takkaduru Dharinirum Solayavum. You crossed over the water flows.
So over the bridge.
Over.
Yeah.
Yes, there. Overbridge is also there. Talam Sedamai Kondapadi. It is developing area. Yeah, it is under construction. Infrastructure is going on more. Talam Sedamai Kondapadi Viramba Vanno. Whenever you are looking that guy, you will be attracted by himself. So like that, good looking. Annavarkum Nama Mena Eduthu Mirsu. 2 to 3 letters name, 2 names are there. Amaya Mudal Vallinamun Melinamun Manilangal. His name is start with middle sound pronounce. Nya, nya, na, na, ma, na. So second name is big sound pronounce. Kasada Tapara. 2 names are there. Pinnidayum Ugiramaya Kulattu Subattur Vonam. These are all the indications of his name. Now Agastya Maharishi states the planetary situation. What kind of planets he is having. Pinnidayum Ugiramaya Subattur Vonam. In your Janma Kundali, Guru and Shukra both are Subhagrahis. That is good planet. Regarding that, Shukra or Guru, his Lagna will be in Gendrastha. 1, 5, 9 is the Gendrastha. You compare to Guru and 5th place, where it is residing, that onwards. 1, 5, 9. You go through this. In his Janma Kundali, his Lagna will be there.
Yes.
Paridhi Kavi Mal Todara Vedam Male Vendan. In his Janma Kundali, Surya, Buddha, Shukra, these three planets are in one line, not ups and down. It is in line. That means in the row.
Sequence.
Sequence. And another one thing, Guru placed in the Vrishig Rasi. Vedam means Vrishig Rasi.
Okay.
Male Arabum Venaisar. Rahu placed in Mithun Rasi. Nirayai Mandan. Shani residing in Tula Rasi. Mechamadi Burindidave Uravu Maha. Chandra is in very good place. That means good complexion. Good, what we call matching. These are all the identification and witnesses of this that particular person.
Correct.
That person is not in your relatives, not very close relatives also. Apart from your family, apart from your relatives, he will come. That means newcomer. Balaganam Manam Pinnil Porta Sutra. After your marriage, all are appreciate and praise your family life. Pagalavanpur Vedivurai Banam Nadu. He is living in the east-west direction state and also very near. That means not very lengthy place. 2 to 3 hours going and coming. Naladavum Ravi Udhiyum Malamel Dikkam. He is living in Ravi Udhiyum Malamel Dikkam. South-east direction he is living. Nal Uyarvam Purvamavan Marivasam Poladuvam Tadaivanayim Pokadeche. You should perform the remedies. After that, you will get very fruitful marriage life without any hurdles. These are all the 7th chapter predictions. So, same ditto she got.
Acha. So, Guruji is saying, after seeing this particular prediction, that lady subsequently had approached and told Guruji that as per the indications given, she has found a person with whom she is already engaged, but marriage yet to take place. Thank you.